Hey guys, welcome back. Today I thought that I would share with you a yoga club unboxing video. I'm all about workout gear, yoga gear. That's basically what I live more than half my life in. So that's why I decided to partner with them for this video, because I think any type of subscription box that you can get apparel, yoga clothes at half off for, I'm all about. Because let's be honest, yoga clothes are like ridiculous. Expensive, like it's ridiculous. This is a subscription service box where you save 50% off retail. So it has brands like Free People. Hello, that's like one of my favorite brands. Varley, just different types of yoga brands that are well known and more on the pricey side. You get them at half off. But not only that, this is a very different subscription service. They're kind of like Tom's shoes, which I love Tom's, is that every box that they sell, they give one yoga class to a child in need, which I think is really cool because yoga does a lot of amazing things for you. Anytime I do yoga workout, my body feels significantly different than it does if I just did a regular workout. I don't know what it is. I don't know what the magic behind yoga is, but my body always feels just like strengthened and energized. So basically you sign up, you take a fun style quiz, and then you are sent a 3-piece outfit, and it's just from really popular brands, and you get it at half off. All about that. And not only that, I have a coupon code for you which is flower20. You get 20% off your first box. And let's dig in. I haven't even looked in here, so I'm super excited because I took the quiz. So I just think it's cool that I love companies that give back. So like one box equals like one yoga class for a child, and I mean, I think that's awesome. Oh my gosh, I don't even need to look at it to know that I love it. It basically has different brands that are associated with them. Okay, Noli Yoga. I have a pair of leggings from Noli, and they are the most comfortable leggings I've ever worn in my life. Threads for Thought, love that brand. Splendid is another brand that they are associated with. Free People. I'm gonna show you my 3-piece outfit. This is, I love the from Glider, and it is a Forma 101 fabric in the size small. So this is basically just capri pants. And look at the sides on this. So it has like this stitching here. I don't know if you'll be able to tell on camera, but the stitching is kind of cool. They're super soft, and I'm excited to wear these mañana because I'll be wearing these tomorrow. Oh yeah, they're super stretchy. I bet these are like full-on leggings. Yeah, so that is the first thing. So it comes with a pair of leggings. I wish more people did like exercise boxes, because that is what people sweat in, and it gets disgusting faster than most clothes. I mean, it makes more sense to me to do like this kind of thing. And then the next thing I got was this is a white tank. And this is also from the brand Glider. Look how freaking cute this is. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna be rocking this like tomorrow. I am so excited. So this is $50. That is the retail price of this. And then like, how much is this? I just wanna tell you guys the prices. So this is $76. Lastly, this is also from the brand Glider, I got a jacket. Look how, I love this gray. So, oh my gosh, I am so excited. And the back is like that. And then it also has thumb holes. I'm all about thumb holes. If you watch my videos, I wear thumb holes like every video. I did not know what I was opening, and when I took the quiz, this is exactly what I would wear on a daily basis. So there's definitely something to taking that quiz. It's like having your best friend pick out your clothes. You wouldn't want that. And I'm totally excited to wear this. Use my coupon code flower20, you get 20% off, and you get a killer cute outfit. And you're also helping kids out in need. The link and my coupon code below. Log on, take the quiz, see what it comes up with. But I'm super happy. I'm a happy like camper because these clothes are like freaking adorable. And yeah, I feel like I kind of want to sign up now because they have all these good brands, like brands that I have purchased from you. So you're not going to be disappointed. Promise. Absolutely love it. If you have any questions, let me know below. And if you are a yogi and workout fanatic like me, I think this is going to be right up your alley. And I will talk to you later.